This is an extra-dimensional space created by a certain Digimon. It's called an Akashic Backdoor. Your mission is to defeat the Digimon responsible for this Akashic Backdoor.
What did you do with our friends?
Answer us, Parallelmon!
Resistance is futile.
It's no use. He's not listening.
My name is Kyoko Kuremi, by the way. That's my father right there.
You were willing to put yourself in serious danger for us. We must do what we can to match your spirit!